What are you using to make circles? Well, those are good circles, but um,
Oh, bless you.